What's up, guys? The bros are back. Today's video, episode 3 of the MGB. Today, simple, clean installation, brand new gas tank, really good quality, and honestly, it went really smoothly, even though I was by myself. My bro ditched me, but it's all good, no hard feelings. Enjoy the video, and good stuff. So this tank matches up really well to the old one. It also came with a sender unit, hardware, came with the gas filler cap, spacer. That is like the locking part and the gasket for the sending unit. Then we got vibration dampeners also. So, and then a drain plug with an O-ring. Really complete package. It's really legit. And I'm excited to get installed. In order to hold these vibration dampeners in place, I'm just going to take some spray adhesive and just put a little bit of adhesive contact so they won't move during when we install the tank. Alright, so got all the dampeners in place, and now let's move on to what's next. Next, let's get this old sender unit out and see what it looks like. So we got that piece out. Now let's see if we can. Whoa. Yep. Got it. Wow, look at that. Wow, a bunch of crap. Well, holy smokes, dude. Holy Toledo, bro. Wow. Take a look at that. Would you look at that? Wow, wow, wow. Huh, smells putrid. So let's compare the old to the new now. So look, very similar, which is obviously a good thing. So I got that. Do have differences though, but hopefully it works. Sweet. So this appears to be pretty self-explanatory. I just put the gasket in there, so like that. Put it like that. You see the two little tabs? They're correlating. Two little tabs right there. So let's fit this in there. Ever so carefully. Nice, looking good, looking good. Nice. Make sure the two tabs line up. After some finagling, feels like it's nice and seated. Oh, I just messed it up. There we go. Feels like it's nice and seated, and then I'm gonna go get the last part we need. So here it is. Just gonna go over. See the little divots, like that. I'm gonna push that past it, and then we're gonna turn to lock them in place. Okay. So I'm gonna get the little tool I had earlier, which I believe is over here. Yep. So I'm gonna get this. Just make sure it's nice where it's supposed to be. So, feels nice and solid, and hopefully doesn't leak. Another cool feature of this tank that it came with was a drain bolt. So there's a hole in the bottom of the gas tank, right there, and it's a drain hole, so pretty awesome. So there appeared to be a little bit of gunk in it. I did not put anything in there, so it must have been just some, like, I think it was just some grease so it wouldn't corrode. But, so this is a drain plug. So tighten that up. and this is a 7/8, I believe. Right here. So 7/8 size socket, and I know it's a little bit of overkill, but should be good. So also with the gas tank purchase, it came with the hardware kit from Sports Car Parts Ltd. So we have these clips here, which I'm about to show you. Then we have 2 washers. If we look at the original ones, you see that there's a hard washer on top, then a vibrating dampener washer underneath. So we're going to do that. We got nuts with locking washers, and let's go see. So on the original fuel tank, we see that we have 1 clip here, another clip here, then we have another one here, and another one here. So let's take these and let's match them up to our new one. So we got one in the front here, right there, another one here, come on, bro. I don't got my other professional here today, so there we go. One there, and the second one on the left side here. Nice. There are 2 on the left side, so 1 here. So the 2 middle ones on the left side both have these brackets, and then only 1 on the right side. So let's go over there and do that. So the second one on the left side, and the other middle one, and then it's not going to stay. And then the last one is on this one right here. Sweet. So I think we're ready to get it under the car. Just like that, it's under the car. I'm flying solo today, as I mentioned earlier, so I'm having a bit of trouble getting the gas tank lined up. So I guess just watch me struggle for a couple minutes. Alright, so I was able to get 2 bolts from underneath. I was able to get them thankfully in, and I love it when my dad leaves his tools. I got a snap-on speeder, and but so yeah, so now I'm just gonna try to get some bolts threaded in, and just to support the weight. So for the last one, so you got the bolt, metal washer first, and then you're gonna take this weird, almost felt feeling one second. You're gonna come over here, and I've been using a cheap tester tool to make sure that that is center. So then, I'm sorry, I pointed the camera away. So then you can just stick the bolt in there and just try to get the threads to catch. So it sounds like money. Sweet. So now I'm gonna go from underneath and get the last 2 bolts done. So as you can see right there, I got all the bolts started. I'm just gonna hit them with the tool and tighten them all up. So there was a smaller set of washers, and I figured out that they are for this one. It's the middle one on the passenger side. If you had the bigger washers, it would not fit next to the wall right there. So that's what it's for. And just like that, all the bolts are in and lit. And then we're back under here. So let's just match up this hose right here. There we go. Match up that. Then also the wire. And